So how did I start learning the mandolin? First, I think I should start even before. How did I learn music? And as we know today, you learn music already when you are in your mother's belly. But as soon as I was born, I was actually participating in my mom practicing with my brother. He is my older brother. So he played the piano and I was sitting on her lap. So I guess I learned a lot of music already as a baby, just listening to the music. And then particular to the mandolin, I started very early at age 6. And I went to the traditional classical way, which means I had a teacher and I learned in my second lesson already some notes and reading, which I think today I would start later with those things. I would first get the child or adult, whoever starts learning music, first really connect with the instrument and really learn more by ear. I think it's a great thing if you are learning by ear and you are able to really fast listen to music and then put it on your instrument. So that's a good thing. And later I would now start with reading music, but I started personally pretty early. But at the same time, we were also forced to learn fast the piece which we learned first reading, then to not use the music at a certain point. So playing by memory was a big thing. Just the way how I learned the piece was not just listening, it was first reading. So in this part I would change now. And and then it's good to have a teacher who is actually nice. I would say a music teacher can also destroy the love to music. So you need to find a gentle person and somebody who is encouraging you. So if you have the feeling that there's something wrong, you're afraid to go to the lesson, then that's the wrong teacher. And music has to be love and fun and joy, and then you will learn so much more. Especially for children, this is so important because they don't know better and you can destroy the love to the music. And and then also early on I participated in concerts. Not only as a soloist, I also was very early on participating in little groups. I played in a duo, in a trio with 4 people. I played in an orchestra. I was very little at that time, playing in the very back of the orchestra because half of the notes I couldn't play yet. But they put me still in the orchestra with all the kids and adults playing in the same orchestra. And I think this is also a great thing when you socially are connecting with other people, so that you understand why do I do music? Because music is communication. So you are communicating together as a group, and sometimes with a conductor, sometimes just listening. When a group is smaller, you just learn early on to listen. And so I think it's very important early on to not just play in your little living room by yourself, just go out and play with other people and communicate through the music. That's the main thing how I started learning.